Who wants to move a rig on Super Bowl Sunday? Us. That's who. Not really, though.
Shelly,
You're in big trouble, man. It's your wife.
But guess what? We have no problems. Just quick and easy.
So you're gonna have to start pushing the bathroom. Push that, right?
Later in the week, Chris headed to a meeting at the Elks Lodge. There, he had a burger, fries, and a beer for $10. That's hard to beat. We got an invite to a chili cook-off for the big game. I stayed home, but Chris went and said it was really good. Slow down. Okay. Keep coming, keep coming.
It's windy.
Stop.
Huh? Yes, she's the pro. I just follow orders. Thanks, Wendy. Does it look good for you, baby? We're at our new park, and we got here on Super Bowl Sunday. It was an easy drive. Wasn't hardly anybody out on the road. We got in right at noon. Got set up. Well, before we got set up, we had to stop and wait in the parking lot. Here's some of the views of that. I mean, the park was crowded for people coming in on a weekend, and I'm sure everybody wanted to kind of bed down so that they could sit and watch the game. Now, I'm not saying that there's a lot of people waiting to get in, but wow, I haven't seen it this full in a while. This is our new park for the next 3 weeks. This is Meridian. You've all seen it before. One of our viewers and subscribers, friends of ours, Jeff and Claudia. Jeff came up and talked to us for a little while and said there was going to be a get-together at La Estancia, which is a big building here in this particular park where they can have events. And it was a chili cook-off for Super Bowl Sunday. So after we got everything set up and ready to go, about 3:30, 4 o'clock, Jeff came by and picked me up, and we headed over there. And it was really nice. I had a good time. A lot of good people, some amazing chili. I mean, just awesome. Partaked in that for a little while, got to watch the first few minutes of the game. Then I got a call from Shelly that something was wrong with the RV. We were having problems with the gray tank. She's usually right on top of everything without any trouble. So just a short walk, I came back over and checked it out, and sure enough, I had neglected to not open the valve to the gray tank, but open the valve to both the gray and the black. So you can see we've got 2 sewer hookups whenever we park the rig. There's one for the back alley, and then there's the one for the black and the gray tank. And to keep from having to deal with leaks, we added this Valterra valve, and it screws on just like that does. Problem is that if you're not careful and you twist the valve when you're trying to take this off or trying to open this valve part, you can have the whole thing come off, and if it's backed up with gray tank or black water, you've got one big mess. So that's what we had to deal with. Yeah. Those particular valves that are deep in the bowels of the RV are notorious for leaking. So we put the extra on just to make sure. It's a little delicate to work with it because the one that I bought initially was a twist on, and if you're not careful and you accidentally twist it back the wrong way, you can have a big poopsie. It can actually come off. And I'd already hooked up all the sewer hoses and everything. And Shelley said she tried to open it, but it was kind of stiff. And yeah, it's a stiff, sticky valve. So I carefully reached in and made sure it wouldn't turn, and then got the valve open, and she'd been doing some wash, so the tank was full. And it dumped, everything was perfect. She asked if I was going to go back over, and I said, "No, I'm kind of tired. I'll just stick it out here for the rest of the day." And that was our big move and our Super Bowl Sunday. Didn't have a favorite. Was happy that there was one winner, and hoped everybody had a good time. So for everyone who watched, I hope your team won. For everyone who didn't, it was entertaining. Didn't watch any of the halftime shows, just headed back and did a little editing and then crawled in and went to bed. Really enjoying sitting back and relaxing right now. Grizz is out here with me. We're sitting out in the sun and taking it easy. Talk to you guys later. Bye. So we woke up this morning and I got my usual hour or so looking on the computer and checking out my YouTube stats, and then went to get a shower, got all undressed, ready to go, and I forgot about something that Shelley had told me, the park had told her when we first moved in. They cut the water off for today. I mean, not a big thing. It happens. Got to do some maintenance and stuff like that, so that's where it is. So get up, go outside, flip it over to tank water. Thank goodness we carry a little bit in it so we can get through the day until everything else is taken care of. Not a big deal. Just a little hitch in your giddy up. We're set and ready to go. Bye. Insiders, thanks for being here. So we switch it to our tank water and turn the pump on, and now we have water even though the pump doesn't hold.
Please travel safe.
Telling